Hello, in this section we will set up the process to start a new business both within QuickBooks and Excel. QuickBooks showing us how to set up the business within the accounting software, and Excel giving us more of the accounting theory and a transparent look about the accounting process being used by the QuickBooks system. Within QuickBooks, we're going to set up the new company file and put in the opening balances for that company file. Within Excel, we will set up the new company worksheet, explain how that worksheet will be used, and enter the opening balance data into the Excel worksheet. The Excel problems will include a downloadable worksheet that we will use in order to enter the data. There will be a link that we can use in order to get that information. The QuickBook files will typically have a PDF file, which is an optional file we can use to work through the problem, as well as optional backup files, and those can be used if there's a problem. We can reset the information to the point of the backup and enter the data again, or if we want to jump forward or back to any point in time, we can download those backup files, restore them, and rework the problem at those points in time.